You are looking at an image of a boy band group from South Korea called BTS. During the height of the protest in 2020, they donated $1 million to the Black Lives Matter movement. The money was donated via the Act Blue platform, and it was given to the Black Lives Matter Global Network Foundation, which is the headquarters organization for the Black Lives Matter movement. This is just another example of how celebrities supported the Black Lives Matter movement without doing any due diligence or vetting process. They were just caught up in the moment and wanted to give money. And now the money is gone.